Hello, my dear little ones. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine and keeping well. Today we are going to do reading from the English Reader book. So be ready with your reader books and take out page number 1414. As we have learnt in the earlier video that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, and of these the letters like A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. Rest of the letters are known as consonants. Today we are going to read some of the words with vowel sounds A. All you have to do is you have to repeat these words after me so that you can learn to read them well. Shall we start, children? Are you ready? Okay, fine. Let us start. A, X, E, X. A, X, E, X. A, X, E, X. C, A, P, cap. C, A, P, cap. C, A, P, cap. B, O, A, T, boat. B, O, A, T, boat. B, O, A, T, boat. B, A, G, bag. B, A, G, bag. B, A, G, bag. T, A, P, tap. T, A, P, tap. T, A, P, tap. V, A, N, van. V, A, N, van. V, A, N, van. A, R, M, arm. A, R, M, arm. A, R, M, arm. A, double R, O, W, arrow. A, double R, O, W, arrow. A, double R, O, W, arrow. Hope all of you have repeated these words and learned to read them. Now, here is an exercise for you. Here all the pictures are given and you have to match these pictures with the words. For example, this is a tap. So, this is tap? No. Is this tap? No. This is tap. Yes, T-A-P is tap. So we will match the picture of the tap with this spelling. In the same way, you have to do rest of the exercise. Hope all of you will do it properly. Now, come to the next exercise. In this, you have to fill a sound vowel and say the words aloud. All these words are similar to the words we have read earlier. For example, we'll write A in this blank and read it. B-O-A-T, boat. In the same manner, you will write A in all the blanks and read the words. This way, you can improve your reading. Understood, children? This whole page, that is page number 14, is your practice work for today. Okay, goodbye, children. Have a good day. Thank you.